What's good, D Squad? It's your girl. I'm back in the video, and today we're about to do my slime collection. So, but first thing I want to show you guys is this. It came in my Easter basket, and it's so cute. It's messed up a little bit because, like, I don't know, but I got it. Comment below if y'all have one of these, and they actually light up like that, and then when you take it off, and it has also different colors and stuff, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about my slime collection. So where's that other slime at? Okay, no biggie. So I'm about to do my short slime collection because I don't really have a lot of slime because I gave some to people. So yeah, my first one, I'm gonna show you guys this one in here. It has a lot of foam beads in it, and it's like, because I overflowed it, because I try to make it like clear and cute, and then this is what it ended up like. So I try to be like those one videos where they like crush it with like a whole bunch of foam beads and stuff, but that did not work out. So yeah, this slime is a failure slime, so, and it doesn't even stretch because of all the foam beads in it. So yeah, and it don't smell good. So next slime is this one. They are in the same container, by the way. Never mind, I ain't gonna say no. But excuse my nail, it came off. But this is orange slime. Very clear. Ooh, it looks like what is it called again? What is it called? Y'all? I want to say Dr. Pepper, but no. It looks like root beer. You wanna run that mouth, boy? You ain't grown. I'm gonna whoop till I can't no more. I got the whooping in the back. Alright, y'all, but this one looks like, it looks yellow. Now, see, look. Boy, no, you ain't grown. I'm gonna whoop till I can't no more. Okay. Comment below names. Next one is this yellow one. Boy, no, you ain't grown. I'm gonna whoop till I can't no more. This one not stretchy. Boy, no, you. Because I used this lotion and then it did not work out. It made it not stretchy, but it made it soft. You feel me? So that's why it's like this shaded color and stuff. On to the next. But so far, do y'all like my nails? But I'm gonna do a vlog. I'm gonna start posting next time. Green, and this one has like a apple, like a lemon, and like foam beads at the top. Green foam beads. Yeah, this one's really like greasy because I put soap in this one. This is body wash actually. I put body wash in it. But yeah, and the foam beads like stick to you for some reason. See, I have a foam bead on my finger. People keep texting me, y'all. I told them I'm finna do a video. I told everybody that I'd be texting. Ooh, this is my favorite one. This one has like little fruits in it, and it's pink. So like, look, y'all, it don't look like nothing, right? But when you take it out and look at the back, ta-da! Well, yeah. So I put those like little fruit thingies in here because this is like the most clearest one that I have. So yeah. Okay, next slime. This is clear too. Not that clear. This one has hearts in it. Boy, no, you ain't grown. Whoop till I can't no more. I got the whooping in the bag, y'all. Next, this one is in a seashell. Wait, no, you ain't grown. This one stink. Oh, look at the back. Looks so cool. And I have to keep adding lotion to these ones because these ones, they get like really hard. And I don't want it to get hard, so I just put lotion in it. And the lotion mixes off. Every time I put lotion in it, it gets like butter slime. Boy, no, you ain't grown. I'm gonna woo till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, yeah, back in the attached. Heavy run, got the boosters up the match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your press.
Just text me, Cornell.
Are you gonna stay in here? Cause I'm doing a video. Thank you.
You.
So this one is stretchy. And then the last one. This one. Dang it, it's hard to open it. Ow! My finger! Ow! This hurts when I open it. Look, y'all. That's squishy. Boy, no, you ain't grown. I'm gonna woo till I can't no more. Boy, no, you ain't grown. I'm gonna woo till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. Horseback is a tail. It is ready for got the boost. Got the boost all black to match. Right on.
Your head or what?
You can make your push. Thank you. So this is a rough slime. Oh, I ripped it. But yeah, you guys. Ooh, that one stinks too. Okay, guys, this is the end of my video. My hands are really messy with lotion on. But if you guys like this video, comment and subscribe down below. Make sure you guys turn on that post notification if you want a shout out. Yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.